Hey, what's going on? This is Felix. I hope you all doing well. And if you're watching this video right now, you probably were researching this website called ShareASale. So a couple of months ago, I spoke to one of my friends in affiliate marketing business, and we spoke about affiliate networks. And I was recommended ShareASale as one of the most solid networks in affiliate marketing. Naturally, I got very interested and decided to look into it. So I went ahead and created an account. And I was pleasantly surprised by what I saw. First of all, ShareASale is purely a CPA network that is created strictly for affiliate marketers. Just in the last year, affiliates earned $1.3 billion on this network. 260 affiliates join this network every single day, and it has 25,000 brands across all sectors. So before I'm going to review ShareASale, I'd like to quickly explain to people who are not affiliate marketers yet what affiliate marketing is, so it would be easy to understand why am I talking about this platform. Affiliate marketing is a make money online business model that allows you to recommend products and services and to get paid for it. Simple as that. Think of being a middleman or a middlewoman, okay? You're offering products and services you already like, and when they buy them, you get paid commissions for your services. Simple, right? Now, there's many great and interesting things about the affiliate marketing business model, and the first thing that pops to my mind is that you can earn money online without creating a single product or buying an inventory or deal with the customer service altogether. You don't need and you don't have to do that at all. All you have to do is just recommend products and services you already like. And guess what? Most likely, you're already doing it. And probably you're doing it almost on a daily basis, each and every day. So why not getting paid for it? Okay? Have you ever talked to any of your friends about a series on Netflix? Or an awesome camera you bought? Or maybe you bought a supplement that you taking it for weight loss if you need it. Or maybe you taking it before or after you're going to the gym. Right? You're doing it already. Why not getting paid for it? So that's what affiliate marketing is. Another awesome perk of affiliate marketing is a passive income. In affiliate marketing, everything you do, and I'm talking about offering and recommending products, is online. And you do realize internet works 24/7, 365 days a year. So long that we have internet, in essence, you're earning money while you're asleep. So you would ask me, Felix, where and how can I promote affiliate products? There are several ways to promote products. You can start a blog or a website, and if you can get on top of the Google search for the product that you're offering, you're going to get tons of free search traffic. That's one way. Another way to recommend your product is by showing them on your social media platforms. You most likely have accounts for Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, or maybe Pinterest or Instagram. All these strategies involve free traffic, okay? But if you want to speed up the process, you can employ paid traffic strategies using the same social media platforms. The way to get paid for the products you sell is through affiliate link. Okay, so you get a special link from the brand that you're recommending and place it on your blog or social media. Whenever someone buys your product, from that link, you get commissions for the sale. The commissions you paid are going to depend on the commissions rate. Amazon, Target, and other big retailers usually pay very, very small commission percentage, anywhere from 1 to 4%, and you have to sell a boatload of products to make somewhat of a sizable income. But ShareASale has a wider range of merchants to choose from and can offer you anywhere from 10 to 50% and somewhat even higher percentage. Okay, so by carefully choosing who you partner up with really matters. Okay, so let me show you a page with offers and percentages. Okay, so right now I logged into my account and I am on the page for the offers that they recommend right now that are really very, very strong. They call them power rank. Okay, so some offers have like flat out commission number, $100 per sale. Okay, and if you're going to look here at the EPC, it's $1,525.05, and that's engagement per click, meaning if they would pay you for if somebody's clicking on your link, and if they would pay you per click, they would probably, that price would be per 100 clicks. Okay, so if you're going to divide $1,525 by 100, it's probably going to be like somewhere around 15 bucks. Am I correct? I don't know. I'm not that great at math. Okay, so anyway, and $100, and here we have a product that offer anywhere from 10 to 20%. Then we have 8%, flat price again, 7%, 10%, 10%, 5%, $100, 10%, so on and so forth. Okay, we have 15%, 18%, 20%. The prices are going higher. The EPC goes higher. So another thing is, I found out that you can actually negotiate the percentage rate later on in your career with ShareASale. When people in ShareASale will see that you are doing well, you can actually talk to them and they will increase your percentage sale for your sales. Okay, percentage rate. Okay, so ShareASale is a platform where affiliate marketers will find a very wide range of different products, also known as offers, okay, to promote. And in order for you to sign up for this platform, it's 100% free. Okay, no need to pay for anything to sign up. Okay, and once ShareASale approves your application, which is pretty fast, if you have your own website, okay, and you will indicate your website address and an email associated with that website, the approval of your application for this platform is going to be almost instantaneous. Okay, they will send an email to the email that you provided, that associated with the website that you indicated, and they will give you a link to click on to confirm the ownership of this website and the email. Okay, and once you do that, your your approval is going to be really, really speedy. Okay. I don't want to go through the process of showing you how to sign up. It's pretty self-explanatory. Obviously, you're going to have to put your name, your address, the country that you are in, and you're gonna have to create the password, the username and the password, so on and so forth. Pretty self-explanatory. There's not much to it. Okay, you're going to have to answer a few questions that they will ask you that are really simple. But like I said, the most crucial part in getting approved is having your own blog site or a website with an email that is associated with that website. Once you put that in, the approval is going to be very, very quick. If you don't have that, don't fret, because you can also put your social media account, okay, whether it's going to be Facebook or YouTube. They just need to see your social media activity business-wise, okay, and a platform where you are going to recommend the products from ShareASale. Okay, so another great thing about the offers here on ShareASale are the brands that are very, very famous. These are top brands. Just that alone makes it a lot easier to sell these products, because people already know them, they trust them, and they have these brands have good reputation amongst the people. Okay, and as you notice right away here, it's Linux, and that's just the first thing on this page. Okay, 𝗧𝗵𝗶𝗀𝗲 Inc. Okay, so there are brands here like Reebok, Etsy, Grammarly, FreshBooks, and as I mentioned before, Linux. Okay, so that's pretty much it, and the website is pretty straightforward, nothing to it. Okay, so to go to see the types of offers they have, you go to merchants, search for merchants. Okay. Okay, so Power Rank is going to be where they have the most trending offers right now, the ones that sell really, really well. But you can also go to categories, like, for example, if you are into, I don't know, automotive or business or clothing, domain names, education, whatever the niche that you want to be in, you can choose here and pick up a link for it and start promoting it. Okay, now once you're going to get a link, well, let's just see. Let's go to books and media. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Join the program, magazineagent.com. Okay, so your commission rate is going to be 30 to 45% per sale, which is pretty good. Okay, and let's say you want to join the program. You're going to click and join the program. Please check the box starting that you agree to the program's agreement for affiliates. Okay, so you're gonna click here, click the join the program. So it's going to tell you your application is now under review with affiliate marketing program for magazineagent.com. Once approved, you'll have immediate use of banners and links and earn money from your website. Search for more while you wait. Okay, so you're gonna wait until they will approve the affiliate link for you. However, um, once you're going to get a link, usually people will say, just add the link to the blog post or website, or in other words, use the link directly. And that's not the best strategy to use, okay? I will insert in the video description box again a link for my favorite strategy that I use to get to 5 to 10K a month. And this strategy was very, very successful for a lot of people. It was responsible for people earning a lot of money, okay? And if you would like to learn about the strategy, you can definitely check it out, okay? And I would give it to you absolutely at no charge. You can take a look at it, and if you decide to learn, it would be a great thing for you. And again, this is absolutely free at no charge. And that's pretty much it, okay? So, oh, and by the way, again, please like the video and subscribe for my channel. And I'll see you in another video review, okay? Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye.